I work at a hospital. I work at a hospital. I see a big building. I see a big building. I see doctors. I see doctors. I see nurses. I see nurses. I see patients. I see patients. I help people. I help people. I take temperatures. I take temperatures. I give medicine. I give medicine. I bring food. I bring food. I clean rooms. I clean rooms. I make beds. I make beds. I see sick people. I see sick people. I see injured people. I see injured people. I see worried families. I see worried families. I see people feel better. I see people feel better. I wear gloves. I wear gloves. I work hard. I work hard. I take breaks. I take breaks. I see a cafeteria. I see a cafeteria. I eat lunch. I eat lunch. I see the clock. I see the clock. I finish my shift. I finish my shift. Working at a hospital is important. Working at a hospital is important. I like helping others. I like helping others.